morning, just received my repair cream, my favorite repair cream, and I wanted to show you and give you more information. Here's the brand. I will tag them, make sure you check them out. Found them on Amazon. Very clean ingredients, vitamin E, acids, collagen, all of the goodies. So let's open. Here is the cute little box. And here is how it looks. I love the consistency. I don't have a makeup on my face right now, so I just wanted to show you real quick. So it's very rich, thick. The skin feels super hydrated. My skin is nicely washed right now. It's very neutral as far as smell. So let's see if you can see the difference. How nice, shiny and refreshed the skin looks after. Love it. Make sure you check it out and let me know what you think.